Hey friends, it's Kay. Welcome back to my channel, and here's the deal with today. So I didn't know what I was going to do a video about today. I have zero energy, even though it doesn't seem like it. I have zero energy. I feel terrible. I have a headache. I need to take some medicine for it, or take a nap or one of those things and eat lunch or whatever. But I have enough energy to clean my house for 1 hour. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a power hour, and this is how it's gonna work. In my home, in my small home, I have 6 spaces that are like separate spaces. I've got a living room area, I've got a kitchen area, I've got a closet area, a bathroom, a bedroom, and that's it, that's 5. So I'm going to give myself 1 hour to clean the whole apartment and see what I can get done. So I'm gonna divide it into 10-minute increments. So it's gonna be 10 minutes each space. I'll get done what I can get done. And if I take shorter in one space, like let's say the bathroom is not like actually messy, but it's just a little bit dirty. So let's say I take 5 minutes in there, I get 5 extra minutes to tack on to some other area that I like didn't finish somehow or something like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just take 1 hour, so 10 minutes per space, and I can like gain or lose. No, I can just gain, but all I get is an hour. Okay, so maybe this will inspire you to do your power hour, and let's get started. I'm gonna start in the kitchen because the kitchen is kind of like, I don't know what happened in there when I was gone. I was really literally gone for like 24 hours, but the kitchen somehow is messy. So we're gonna go and we're gonna go to town in the kitchen. Yeah, let's go. The kitchen wasn't actually that bad. I actually just wanted to put some things away that were just everywhere. I had a lot of things in the kitchen and out that didn't really belong there. Like I had to put my coat away, I had to put some of Clover's grooming things back, and the most important thing to me was to get a hold of the dish situation. The dishes were in the dishwasher, dirty everywhere, and I just wanted to get that taken care of because that is my least favorite job. So if you're gonna do this challenge, do your least favorite jobs first, and that way you can save time for stuff that you don't mind doing so much. Okay, 10 minutes is up, and I just finished unpacking the dishwasher, but I did not finish, doing the dishes. So I'm gonna need some extra time to come back for that, and I didn't rub down the counters either at all, and clean the sink and deal with this nonsense over here. This is ridiculous. This is the snack area. Someone in my house is buying a lot of candy. I'm not gonna say who that is. I'm just gonna say that's not me. Anyway, so I'm going to move on to the living room area, and this is like a fun game show because when I get to the living room area, and if it doesn't take 10 minutes, I have to decide whether I'm gonna use those gained times to come back to the kitchen, or if I'm gonna save it for another room. Isn't this fun? All right, let me move on to the living room and get started in there. Again, it's not crazy in here. My house is relatively clean most of the time. It's just putting stuff away that just gets caught out and belongs a different place. So Clover was sitting there and being like, "Why are you working so hard, Mom? Just take a nap like me." Believe me, I wanted to definitely take a nap with him on the couch, but I really wanted to get the house cleaned so that I could relax later. And you know, me and dust are always fighting, so I just had to dust the alpha. It never ends. Okay, so living room is cleaned and organized. And another thing I'm not gonna do in this video is use the vacuum cleaner or mop the floors, because I've got both a Roomba and a Brava. The Brava is the mop, the Roomba is the vacuum. I'm gonna let them do it. Herbie and and Rosie respectively. So they're not gonna count for the challenge. They're on their own time. They're like their own bosses or whatever. So I gained back 3 minutes and 57 seconds by not using all the 10 minutes in the living room. So I think I'm gonna put that time back into the kitchen to figure out the dish situation. So let's do that right now. Okay, we got the dishes out of the sink and actually got the sink clean and shiny, which is awesome. Bonami is my best friend. And we got some dishes drying there. Still haven't dealt with the snacks. This is the like aftermath of Valentine's Day, and someone gave me this candy. Actually, these are really good, these little coffee candies and some ginger candies, which I actually like. I'm gonna put those away in some tea. This is like ridiculous. I'm gonna have to figure that out. I actually like to have a banana like really soon, but anyway. So I still have to wipe down the counters because there's definitely some crumbage and stuff there, but the kitchen is looking pretty good. Clean out the coffee pot, found some time for that as well. So I'm definitely gonna need to come back here, but I think I'll gain time for sure from the closet. But now we're gonna move into the bedroom. I knew I was gonna make this video this morning before my dog walk, so it was really hard to leave my house and not have the bed made, but I did it for you guys anyway. Making the bed is such an important part of my day, and it just makes me feel so much better. It makes me feel like I'm a grown-up and I can get on with my life. So I made the bed anyway. It looks like a giant marshmallow, like just like I like. A lot of people ask where I got that bedspread. I just got it from Bed Bath & Beyond. It's like super cheap. I need to replace the actual comforter with something a little lighter because ooh, I'm hot at night. Anyway, cleaned my vanity here too because I had some makeup out that I was putting on my face then, and some makeup that I packed for my trip this weekend. Okay, we did it. We put away some stuff that was going on in the vanity. I had packed some makeups for this weekend because I went away for a concert, but it's all put away now. Probably not as organized as I'd like it to be. I'd like to declutter here, but that's another video. We made the bed and now it looks pretty, and I dusted a little bit over here and put some things here. This is my sentimental box. I'll talk about it in another video as well. And I really quickly cleaned over by my husband's side of the bed too. So I gained, actually let's see how much I gained. I totally forgot. 1 minute and 40 seconds. So something tells me I'm gonna hold on to that time. I'm gonna hold on to that time. I like how gamified this is. This is totally me. And I'm going to go in the closet, which is gonna take me like no time at all because I'm just gonna put some things away in there. I'm going to like declutter maybe a little, and I'm thinking like 5 minutes in the closet and that's it. So I'm gonna gain like probably like 6 minutes and 40 seconds back. And I'll definitely have to go back into the kitchen, perhaps the bedroom a little bit. But we'll see. The bathroom might be a little bit of a tough one. All right, let's just go in the closet and get started on that. Okay, closet is done. Everything's put away. I just rearranged some stuff in there and put the stick onto my boots, the boot stick, so they stand up a little bit more. This is like a little like boot stick thingy. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested, but it'll make your boots stand up so they don't get all wrinkly and weird. So this is where I stick my boots, right in that corner there. Some of my other boots are like in actual boot boxes, as you can see. So but these are the ones I wear the most, so they are ready to go all the time. Anyway, Clover break, hello, how are you? What's going on? He just went on a like a 4.5-mile walk. I'm surprised he's not still sleeping right now, but I love him. So I gained 4 minutes and 45 seconds. So let's just say, for the sake of simplicity, that I gained about 7 minutes. So we're gonna go in the bathroom now, and we're gonna do a thorough clean in there because I have 10 minutes, and I might as well do the deed. But so far we've got 7 extra minutes to work with. Let's go. Again, not a fan of cleaning the bathroom, but you know what? Somebody has to do it, and we don't have a maid, so that's me. Anyway, I had taken the carpet out. I'm cleaning all over the floor a little bit, and I had to vacuum. Usually I let the Roomba go in there, but this morning I was just like, whatever, I'm gonna do it myself, like a big girl. Anyway, I took the trash out, and I was talking to Clover and making sure he didn't walk in front of the camera. But I figured it was important also to clean the trash can. If you guys haven't done this in a long time, take the opportunity, actually clean the trash can. It's disgusting. And I was actually taking the opportunity to clean the walls and area next to the toilet, which gets really disgusting, as well as the toilet itself. I put my blue gloves on. The blue gloves, when the blue gloves are on, you know it's serious business. Serious business. Anyway, cleaned the toilet, very meticulous about it. This took the bulk of the time. Really quickly, I think I grabbed the toilet brush and was able to finish just in time. So I didn't get done. I cleaned the toilet, and I cleaned all around the toilet because that's gross, and I don't do that very often, but if you have the opportunity, you should clean the wall around the toilet because ew. I did not clean the counter here or the shower. This is the rug. I still have to clean the floor. So let's figure out what's going on here. So I know it's supposed to be a power hour, but it's really power 50 minutes because I only have 5 spaces, and I'm going to spend 10 minutes in each space. So I now have 7 extra minutes to do whatever I want with that. And let's figure out what I should do. I could either use it to clean the bathroom, or I could use it to figure out the snack thing in the kitchen. I think I'm going to finish cleaning the bathroom for 7 minutes and see what happens after that and see how I feel. If I want to clean more, I totally can. I can give myself 10 more bonus minutes and have it be a real power hour. Maybe that's what I should be. That's what I should do. I should give it the 10 bonus minutes, see if I can finish the bathroom in 7 minutes, and if I have 10 more minutes, and I will have 10 more bonus minutes to make it the power hour, I will finish the kitchen business, and then I'm gonna have lunch and play video games because this is just getting madness. Okay, so let's go back into the bathroom and see if we can get that done. I actually was secretly upset that I had to go back into the bathroom and clean in there, but you know what? I wanted to clean bathroom. There's nothing more satisfying than a super clean bathroom. So again, I take a long time at the sink with the microfiber cloth. I just get into a whole rabbit hole in there, and also cleaning the floor. Again, no mops involved. It's too small of a space. Just get hands and knees, just do a good Cinderella, and you're good. I also had to clean the door of the shower. It just makes me feel so much better when the door of the shower at least is cleaned. I can clean the inside, some other time. All right, I'm done doing all the cleaning I wanted to do in here. I cleaned that. I just cleaned the door of the shower. What is this? Shower? Because I can clean the inside later. Not important. Oh, there, my alarm's going off right now. It's in the other room. Going off in my headset. That's why you couldn't hear it. So I'm gonna use the last 10 minutes to straighten stuff up in the kitchen. Let's do this. I just took a few seconds to figure out that little corner, that little cluttered corner where there's like snacks and stuff like that. That is another video. That corner is driving me absolutely bonkers. And I also just wanted to wipe down the counters and clean everything with proper cleaning instruments. Okay guys, I am all done. I'm done to my satisfaction. I wiped down the counters, sort of sorted out that snack area over there. Kitchen cabinets are probably another video. So I've got like 1,000 video ideas going on right now. But that was my cleaning power hour. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it inspired you to clean up your space and just take as much time as you need. Take over an hour if you want to, but if you only have an hour, if you want to gamify it, because gamifying always makes things more fun, do your power hour challenge. You can like tweet me at Stylish Soprano on Twitter, or at me at Instagram, and with how your power hour challenge went. That'll be great. Comment down below if there's something you're interested in doing, and if you guys like videos like this, please subscribe. I post 3 times a week, sometimes 4 if I am up to it, and I see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!